Hi, today we are seeing how to use Vidline screen recorder. Oh, and before we start, check out this video about how to download it. So let's start.
See how to use it on a desktop. Here I have installed it on the Microsoft Store. Oh, and just like I said, you can see the video up above right here. So you can learn how to download it. So here I have opened it. Here you can see Vidline, and you can choose from local recording or cloud recording. It's recommends to switch to cloud recording for instant sharing. But if you want to just keep it on your local computer, you can choose local or on the cloud, so you can save it in the Vidline website. We'll see it later in the video. Here, I can choose the quality. Up to 4K is the largest quality, and I can't believe it's free. Maybe in and ClipChap is not free, and Wondershare is not free. Here I can choose what to screen record. Here let's record our full screen. Can click on start recording, and here you can choose a window. You can select a window to start recording, or a custom size. You can select the area in your desktop, or just your camera. Here, and when I click on full screen, here I have controls. Here I can turn off and on my microphone, and I can choose my microphone, and I can choose on and off my camera. Here I can choose the camera, and here I can choose if I want to share system audio. If maybe I have a music playing in my PC, and I want to record that too, I can select this. Here you can see your accounts. You can click on this upgrade, so you can upgrade to a Premiere account. Here you can see all of your local recordings and your cloud recordings. And here in these three dots, you can have your settings. You can log out. You can give feedback. You can how to videos. I don't know what is this. You can click or about. Go to settings. Here you can choose your language, and here you can show the control bar. I want to show it. I will show it to you later. And here you can set it up as a startup app. Here, I don't know what is this. Recording countdown, and the countdown. I have turned that off. I don't like it. 0. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna change it to 0. I can do it. What's sorry. And here I can choose the folder. Here in shortcuts you can see all of the shortcuts. You can enable them or disable them. To start or stop. Here you can press Control Shift S to stop and start. And here Control Shift P to pause and resume. Cancel recording. Control Shift C. You can restore the defaults if you want, because you can click on there and change it. Here I'm gonna change it and make it Control S. And here control maybe control. Okay, leave it. I want to change this too, so I can click on restore defaults. Here, let's close the settings and start our recording. Here in full screen, have the same settings, and also in Windows, but and also in custom size, but in camera, no. You can't, of course, record your system audio, and of course, everything is normal. Here, let's go to full screen, and then here, click on start recording. Then wait for the countdown. Here, you have started your first recording. Here, I can record anything I want. Here I have my clock running. And here I have the control bar right over here, and when I hover over it, I can stop or pause. Yeah, pause. Or I can delete my video. I want to delete my video for now. Just click on this trash can, and here is give you confirmation. Let's click on delete record. So this is how you use Vidline, Vidline desktop app. But now we're gonna see how to use Vidline screen recorder in the web with the extension. Here, and I can click on the extension, and then here I have the same options, except in here you have in custom this tab. You can only do it on this tab. Start recording, and here it selects just like this. Then just do it record, and blah 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 blah. Here I can do oops I have the time. And here I can click on this three dots, and here I can mark something like this. It's pretty hard. This pretty hard. I can do an arrow. I just like it pretty much, but if you want to use it, you can do it. The only thing that I like that I can change the cursor. This when I want to press any key, it will do this, and here normal will do this. Here I can change the size. It's big. That's the only thing that I like about this screen recorder on the web. Here I can delete it by pressing the discard or pause or stop. Here I can discard it. Click on this. Here in my videos, this is the local recording. The cloud recordings. Here I can click on this new record, this press icon to make a new recording, and here I can create a folder. I can see my accounts and Hope Center, and here I can click on a video that I have recorded, the weights, and then I can share this video, and I can also download it, and I can create a workspace. You can change the name. Here you can see the viewers, the comments. It's kind of like YouTube, but YouTube is better, of course, but Vidline, you can screen record it just in it. It's a screen recorder, but it's also used to share. Here I can write a comment like this is a cool video. You can send it. I can also add emojis if I want. Just by pressing this emoji icon, I can choose emojis. And here, this is how you use Vidline.